Hey, good afternoon. Welcome back to MarineMax in Panama City Beach. Lance Weatherby here with one of our pre-owned vessels. And this boat's got a great story. This is a Regal 32 Express 2015 model, powered by twin Volvo Pentas, dual props. This boat was owned by a pilot here locally in Destin. Very well kept, like I said, on the lift. The boat's only got about 100 hours on it, but if you're looking for a boat to get out, maybe stay the night on something, take a quick weekend, maybe down to Tampa or something like that, just a great little boat to do that. It'll sleep 5 comfortably. It's got a great aft berth where we'll show you around inside in a minute too, and just a great entertaining area up in the cockpit. Let me show you around. Here we are on the cockpit area, and I'm just going to show you around a little bit, just kind of shows you what this boat has to offer. This boat is equipped with a Kenyon grill. It's got a great little freezer fridge combo here, and a sink. You know, you've got a great little area here. You guys can make, plug it in and hook up your daiquiri mixer, your blender on here, have some cocktails, and then moving up here to the cockpit. Here at the helm, you've got a Garmin 7612 XSV. Now that is a bottom machine and GPS. Of course, the boat has trim tabs, bow thruster, and a Fusion Bluetooth stereo on the deck and down in the cabin. Very nice cabin, very spacious cabin. This cabin will sleep 5 comfortably. You've got a queen size bed here in the aft berth. Nice recessed cabinets, Samsung 40-inch flat screen TV. You do have a removable table that you can put down here, and just the nice granite accents here throughout. Nice cabinetry. Regal makes a very nice boat. This is a upper end boat. You have a full-size bed here in the front. Now this is a power bed where this folds out, and all of the original sheeting and upholstery comes with it. For more information on the 2015 Regal 32 Express, give us a call at MarineMax. My name is Lance Weatherby. Be happy to take you out for a ride.